Nah, chill. Wait, come back to me in a little bit. I need to get it right. So we are out at Montclair State University right now. We got the whole crew, all of them, chilling. I'm his brother. That is not gonna look. I got Darren Valico with the glasses, and then Zach Heller and the other glasses. Radical dude. They traded nationalities. Oh my god. Yeah, that better go online later. This is Dustin. You guys know him in the vlog. He's the only Asian that can grow a full beard. And I got this creepy pedo stash. This is a vlog. This is it. Oh, dude, we're gonna slow mo.
With the 1954 Chevy 3100 pickup on the left.
We got every R33, R34, R32, which is awesome. Danny's got a bunch of cinematic going on that we'll put in the vlog for you. When I met you in the summer. You in the summertime with your fine ass Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party. Live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, the summertime, I met you in the summer, the summertime, yeah. Adam's one of the subscribers, met me in Paramus, super cool dude. Appreciate you coming out, man. Shit, always supporting, man, always supporting. Thank you again. I'm gonna put him up on YouTube ASAP. Thanks again, brother. 83 miles to the gallon. These Workmeisters, or they're not SSRs, right? They're Works. Yeah, they're Workmeisters. Overall, it's a BN kit, cars 1JZ swapped, tons and tons of fabrication work. Car was set up by Top Garage out of Atlanta. There's not a part underneath this car that hasn't been touched and fabricated. This turbo eats children. It does, it does. Now here's the real question. Will you tandem with me? If I lead? Sure. Because if I have another guy crash into one of my cars again, I'm just over it. I could kind of drift. No Asians! I'm the only Asian you know that got taught how to drift by rednecks, but it's okay. Oh, this guy's a legend. Drift, hey, wait, drift brigade. Dude, I know, There's only two ways Asian drives. Yeah, they're either completely sideways and on your door, or they drive like this and just crash into everything. What do we got for fuel? Running pump gas, man. Keep it simple, stupid. So many people just overbuild their cars. Yo, I want this thing to start up, run, and drive. This is how an FD cage is act. How the hell do you, dude? I could barely fit in my FD, and you're taller than me. Sit in this one. So you grab here. Holy shit! Look at how much room. Beautiful. Look at how much room you have to everything. Look at how far away the cage is from your head. Damn, you got a lot of slack here, buddy. That's nice. I have the painless wiring? No, Damian Bagley wiring. Ooh. I built the whole harness myself. This thing is beauty. How does it ride? Yeah, a little on the stiff side, but you know, it rolls. Oh, you know, Damian used to be a drifter when he's got zip ties in his door card. Always. It's not a wagon though. Some FDs are wagons. So simple. Just starts. It just runs. Yeah.
R34. We're gonna get Eric's R34 in here now. Super awesome cops from Montclair. They were kind enough to let us use this spot and get this shot. You know, everyone's basically from the show that's still left over is still watching.
What's up, FLIPZCO? We live.
What do you think, Darren? Lineup's pretty dope?
Hell yeah. Shoot.
How can they follow you? How can all the women follow you? He's taken for it. He's got a girlfriend, but if you know, you want one of them hot boy drifters, you know. Danny's got that fire right now.
Heats only.
Huh? You're an iPhoneographer? Yo, Ted, you look like the guy that owns RWB.
No.
With that cigarette.
I'm Justin Francisco's brother. The S13 with the S13 front end. Ain't no S13.5. That's him.
Ooh.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, we're both brown. When we wear sunglasses, we look Spanish. For sure.
I just mío.
Can you start this thing? Let's go.
Yeah, boy.
Getting that shot, man.
Give me that shot real quick. I'm gonna take it. Take it, boom. Oh!
Stick it right there. I wish I had a legacy.
What is life?
Legacy is life. But he's got a WRX front bumper on there, so
I got all the guys rolling out together now. It's not many times that you get to see all these cars together, so when they are, and it's kind of like a parade style, it's pretty freaking dope. So special shout out to all the regiment guys. HP intake, well, high intake, and then yeah, majority of the guys that are out here, Zach with his R34, Ted and all his boys. I appreciate it, guys. Don't stall! Thanks, Mike. Take it easy, bud. Hell yeah.
What's up, FLIPZCO? Hello, faction.
faction. What?
Ooh.
FLIPZCO.
FLIPZCO.
So find a way to tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cause.
We got Mike DeSilva in the shot. Gotta give him a shout out. Repping Flips all day.
Man, how's it going?
How was the lineup? Pretty dope?
Going pretty nice.
Yeah.
Take it easy, bud.
It's good seeing you, man. I'll put his channel below. Get that in. But yeah, we really do appreciate it. If you guys came out to the first show, Montclair State University with the car club, super dope. Thanks for supporting the channel. We're gonna end it here and there. Say what's up.
Please like, share, subscribe.
Hell yeah. All right, man. Thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, there it is.
We're here with FLIPZCO. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.